Are you watching this video on your phone right now? Stop and look at this. This is exactly what happens to your body when you slouch and tilt your head down to look at your screen. In medicine, we call this text neck syndrome. Look at the red areas. Your cervical spine is forced into extreme flexion, creating severe structural pressure. Your neck muscles are overstretched and strained, while your upper back vertebrae are heavily compressed. This bad habit slowly destroys your posture and traps chronic tension in your nervous system. But don't worry, you can fix this damage. Let's look at the anatomical breakdown of the perfect exercise to reverse it.
This is the camel stretch. It's one of the best ways to open the chest, lengthen the hip flexors and quads, and create space through the spine. This helps counter long hours of sitting, restores posture, and takes pressure off the lower back.
The second condition. Experiencing sharp, radiating leg pain or numbness from sciatica? Look at what is happening under the surface.
When a herniated disc compresses your sciatic nerve, it doesn't just cause pain, it damages the microscopic myelin sheath insulating your nerve fibers. This leads to leaking signals and chronic numbness.
To accelerate your recovery alongside physical therapy, your nerves need the ultimate structural raw materials. Healthy fats found in eggs, avocados, and walnuts provide the essential lipids required to rebuild this protective myelin layer, repair the nerve damage, and restore lightning-fast signaling.
Here is exactly how these superfoods repair your nervous system at a cellular level.